How to add fade-in animation in Wix Studio. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can add the fade-in animation into an element, a text, a section, or whatever case or a placement or type of element that you are going to have into your Wix Studio website, of course. So we are going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and then we are going to see this dashboard. We are going to select the website that we have created on Wix, and it is going to be built on Wix Studio. We should select that. If you do not have a Wix Studio or built-in Wix Studio website, click on create new and try in Wix Studio. I'm going to click on select and edit. Once you have did that, we are going to wait for the dashboard to load up, and then we are going to see everything set up. Now, either you are going to be on the setup or the home page, it is going to be the same, but make sure that you're going to be on only one of the two pages. Click on edit site, and it is going to load the content of your website. Now, as you can see, we have our website ready. Now we're going to add the specific animation. To add the animation or the effect, it is going to be very simple. You need only to select the element that you want to implement or apply this animation to. For example, I'm going to select in this video a button. We're going to click on that button and we're going to open up the specific inspector. This is the button selected. Open up the inspector and we're going to see either design, the animation effects, and also CMS connections. Basically, we're going to select only animation effects. Now, depending on the element that you have selected, it is going to be crucial to know or to search if it is going to have the, let's say, eligibility to have some fade in or fade out animation. You can go ahead and have it on the entrance, but you can go ahead and have it on clicks and also the hover. We're going to select, for example, the hover, and then we are going to see if we have the fade. Click on fade, and then we're going to click on adjust animation. We are going to have two types of fade, in and out. We're going to select in, and then we're going to select, for example, the easing to something. You can go ahead and modify delay and also duration. Click on preview to see the animation that you have applied or the effect. If you do not like it, go ahead and delete it right away. So I have this, I'm going to remove it, and you're going to see the button back to normal. Now we have the click. I can go ahead and also have the click. For example, for the fade, I'm going to click on it, adjust animation, have the fade type in, and duration, I'm going to increase a little bit. Delay also, I am going to have it. The easing is going to be up to you. I'm going to click on preview and you're going to see that apply. So you can also apply it for example, a specific text. I'm going to have this text. I'm going to remove all the effects that we have on that text. Maybe I'm going to have the hover. So we are going to click on fade, adjust animation, type of the fade in, duration, and click on preview. For this, as you can see, the pixelization, it is going to be normal as long as you are going to set up something normal for the animation. If you do not see it right there, you can go ahead and have the editing. And as you can see, it is going to be normal. So we are going to wait for the button. And when you're going to click on the button, normally it is going to appear. So this is the fade out. So this is going to be only a little bug, but you can go ahead and have the editing set up normally. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.